This 2025 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 26 DJSE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features a BRYCE CANYON interior, sleeps 8, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.